A whiteboard is an animated video designed to show your potential clients what you do and what you're about in an attractive and user-friendly way, helped with a professional voiceover. It is great for capturing the attention of your customers, which you need to do in the first 7 seconds. It is easy to watch and can explain something very clearly, often making a complex topic easy to understand. By doing this, you can be sure that when someone watches your video, they have a clear and memorable impression of what you want to tell them. To add value and generate more sales for your firm, we offer something extra with our whiteboards, a sales action feature. This includes elements like a share feature and a call to action button that can get your customers to subscribe for more information before continuing the video. With a whiteboard and a sales action feature, you can get your firm's message across in a powerful and effective way, helping you generate more leads and convert them into sales.